In this video lesson, you'll discover what contrast of saturation is and how to use it in watercolor painting.
Contrast of saturation refers to the difference between a pure color and the same but less saturated color, known as the tone, which has an equal tonal value to the saturated color but a reduced purity. Contrast of saturation is also the difference between a pure color and its darker shades and lighter tints. There are three ways to achieve tones. A pure color can be desaturated by adding either a complementary color, a neutral gray paint, or a diluted black paint, which is, in a way, a neutral gray. By mixing the pure color and the neutral gray, we can obtain a gradation or a range of desaturated colors. The range of tones is called the chroma. It contains all possible tones within this range. When a pure color is mixed with white, it becomes lighter. When a pure color is mixed with black, it becomes darker and muted down. Such color is called the shade.